Start.
Hi friends, welcome to another session of our coaching. Hi, I'm Ellen. Hi, Bharti Garu. Hi, Amit. How are you all?
Hi, sir.
Fine.
All good.
Fine.
Good. Okay, good. So now having known about our personality and also having known about all the area of our life, wheel of life. Now we are entering the another coaching session of speech activity. This is called speech activity. So it is meant for thinking yourself from the third person's perspective about all your good qualities. So why? Because if I ask you to tell about yourself, you may hesitate or feel shy of expressing yourself. When it comes through the third man's perspective, that inhibition will not be there. So keeping that, so this activity is for the outcome of what traits or qualities that you have developed or they emerge from your baselines. Okay, that is thing. So if all the people speak about you on the same lines, so they happen to be your baselines, core qualities to understand those things. And if you go through this manual page number 14, it is clearly given. There are step-by-step instructions here where we will ask our clients to put themselves in the shoes of someone else mentioned in the activity. That someone could be your family member or your friend or your colleague. So three persons, all the three persons' perspective should be written as a speech. Okay. Now I'll give you half an hour time to write the speech as if they are your friend or spouse or colleague speaking on a grand occasion of your anniversary, so in front of so many people. So they will speak good about yourself. That is supposed to be the speech. So any doubts on this?
Not at all.
How much should I write?
Any?
Good things. Only good things.
Yeah, only good things. The time given is half an hour. For each person, you take 10 minutes. So yeah.
What is the length of the speech that should you write?
Yeah. So it could be one full page, minimum half a page. So normally what it happens after writing 7 qualities or 7 lines, we stop thinking about ourselves when we ask for the good things. And when we ask for the negative things, we give there is a human tendency, long list of things. So normally we always feel hesitant to talk about ourselves, actually our good qualities. So any other clarity you required?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Amit, am I clear?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
So I'll give you half an hour time. You write that speech activity, then we will debrief after half an hour.
Right.
All right?
Right.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Right.
Start.
Hi, welcome friends.
Hi.
Did
Hi.
you complete the speech activity?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, guys.
How do you feel about it? Writing through the third person's perspective. How do you feel about writing?
First of all, it was.
Are you scared?
First was it was mind-boggling thinking about say my wife talking about the good things, only good things of mine before somebody. It was first of all I was totally blank for 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. Now, Ellen, then can I ask you that what we have written on behalf of your wife?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, she has once or twice has expressed these feelings. So I have just recollected those things and tried to put it on the paper. So
Okay.
I mean, like because she has been the biggest critic of my life. So I have just written the good things what she has sometimes expressed, and sometimes she has inherently told without giving any words to it. So I just have put those things in my speech actually. So according
Can you tell those words?
Yeah,
Can you tell those words?
Yeah,
So Ellen is.
Yeah. So according to her, I am the most intelligent person, and I can do
Oh, good.
do things just like that. and I can speak in any situation, and I can speak as per the given situation, and
Okay.
I do not hurt people's feelings, and I have very good writing skills. I can help people in drafting their petitions or something like that, and I
Okay.
try to avoid the confrontations with near and dear.
Okay.
And though I'm stubborn at times, but I heed to her advice. These are some of the
Okay.
points that
Okay.
she has sometimes told explicitly, and sometimes she told implicitly.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. So getting appreciation from wife is a great thing for the husband,
Yeah, I mean,
right?
after writing those things, I got goosebumps actually.
So you are a great husband. Yeah. And you are so fortunate you have got such a good wife
Yeah,
talking good
that
of
is
you.
true. That is true. She is very understanding actually.
Okay. Okay. Now, can I ask Bharti about your activity?
Yeah. Sure.
So can you tell the speech written by your friend about you?
Friend. Yeah. So Ritu is going to talk about me. Ritu, my friend, is going to talk about me.
Okay.
And I'll first tell how Ritu and me met. It's you would be surprised how we met actually.
Okay.
One day I was traveling by a pool cab, not the normal cab,
Okay.
from
Okay.
Abbots to Gachibowli, where I stay. I stay in
Okay.
Gachibowli, so
Okay.
I got in at Abbots after finishing my work over there, and because it
Mhm.
was a pool, the driver stops after 10 minutes, and Ritu gets into the cab.
Okay.
So we are traveling, and then we sit quiet for some time, and after that, Ritu and me exchange our mobile numbers, and we
Mhm.
start talking. We start conversing, and then
Okay.
yeah, we start, and then we just introduce ourselves, and we realize that we are staying only 10 minutes away from each other. I stay in
Okay.
MCC, and she stays in a complex called. Uh, yeah, I don't get the name. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Yeah.
yeah,
Doesn't matter.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
She stays 10 minutes away from me. Botanica.
Okay.
She stays in
Okay.
Botanica, which is 10 minutes away from me. So
Okay.
then we said, we'll keep in touch. And then after that, there was no looking back. We kept in touch. We went for walks together in
Yeah.
botanical gardens, because botanical gardens is very
But
close
but
to
but
our.
can you name the qualities that we attribute to you?
Yeah. So so after that, there was no looking back, and she said, then now she says that Bharti, I've met only a few years back, but then
Okay.
she is always happy, and she tries to make me happy. I'm not that happy person in general, but she wants to see me happy all the time. And
Okay.
when only I'm around her, I'm smiling and I'm enjoying my day, and my day goes well. And she's like that with all of them. She always wants to see everyone happy. And then
Okay.
she doesn't have any enemies. I don't see
Okay.
anyone not liking her. And
Okay.
yeah, she's truthful, she's sincere to whatever she does. And
Happy, truthful, sincere. Very
yeah,
good
yeah,
attributes.
yeah, and smiling, again smiling. She smiles, and she wants me also to smile all the time.
So
So
taking care
so
of your friends. Yeah.
yeah,
Taking
yeah,
care.
she
Make them
takes care of
happy.
me. Yeah, she takes care of me so well. And
Okay.
I love to be around her.
Oh, so sweet of you. So sweet of you, Bharti.
That's great.
Well done. Well done. Okay. So
The
you
way you are
all.
telling this, Bharti, I mean, it shows that how passionate your friend is about you.
Thank you, thank you,
really,
thank you.
really great. Really great.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So, so your nature, as you discovered, is also like that. No, it suits your nature, the way they speak.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's emerging as a kind of baseline for you. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ellen, can I ask you something on this?
Yeah.
Sorry. Amit. Amit, can I ask you?
Yes, sir. Sure. Yeah,
Acha,
please.
so are you ready with the speech?
Yeah, I'm always ready. It was a
Okay,
wonderful exercise.
imagine that now you have to read the speech of your colleague. How would it be? Would be
Yeah,
for you?
I have written a speech of my colleague, and what he is saying is, I have always admired Amit at work, and Amit has
Okay.
always, though being his junior, Amit always wanted to help me whenever I am stuck in my work.
So
And
helpful,
Amit
helping
made
nature.
me, Amit made me understand my targets, and Amit has always helped me wherever I have been like stuck. Amit has helped me in taking me out of it, and he's always helped me to achieve my goals. And I have whatever I have achieved is because of Amit. He's helped me to take so many promotions. So I am thankful to Amit. So this is what my friend is.
Okay, then.
My colleague will say. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
Amit is
actually I have
helpful.
done
Yeah,
yes.
so it means Amit is helpful, supportive, taking care of your friends, and always they want to be
Yes.
in your company. So very good nature.
Yes.
So kind, very, very good,
Yes.
very good. Yeah. So now I think lastly, Sirish, can I ask you something on this? One of the speeches.
Yeah,
Are you ready?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So can you also read out the speech written by your spouse on your some grand occasion? What it would be? Can you read out?
Yeah. I think the most difficult speech.
No,
Huh?
the most difficult when you start speaking. It will be most revealing and exciting.
Same feeling, same feeling.
Yeah, I think, yeah, okay. Now, if she speaks, okay, it would be like this. I met Sirish for the first time in 1999. Initially, he
Okay.
looked like a stubborn and arrogant person. But later, I
Okay.
realized he was having great sense of humor. He is
Yeah.
honest while
Okay.
speaking and is always
Okay.
friendly. Okay. After
Okay.
the marriage,
Mhm.
his full support has made me gel with the family, friends, and relatives much faster because the culture and languages are different. Right?
Okay. Okay.
He
Okay.
behaves as a very protective person, but pushes our
Okay.
daughters to behave, think, and act independently. He
Okay. Okay.
understands emotions and is always
Okay.
empathetic and ready to help others.
That's
Very good. Very good speech. Fantastic.
Awesome.
Cryptically told. So, Sirish is a loving person, disciplined person, fun-loving person, and always takes care of his family. Such are your attributes and traits you have. It's really amazing for you to get such a traits known through your own family. Really very good. So now I think with this we can conclude. Now all these traits. So likewise, I think we can also listen from these type of words popping up from the mouth of your other spouses, or friends or colleagues, for 4 different persons, for all of you. So
Hmm.
now, any other thing? Anything?
no. Thank you.
I got clarity on your
Yes. That was
almost
a great activity that
baselines. So they are all the things popped up are almost like your baselines. So when so now we are going to learn baselines in the next session. So baselines are nothing but what drive us, the foundations of who we are. So that these things are formed because of our environment, our friends, our media, TV, etc. So once they are formed, they will not be changed unless a drastic incident happens, like death or separation, something like that. So I'll take you to that for the next session. So until then, goodbye. Thank you for a wonderful session, for wonderful revelations from the spouses.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a
Thank
good.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
It has been so good, so good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, Bharti also. Okay.
Bye.